Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing, most wearing collection of crochet women neck warmer designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me or my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet woman neck warmer designs and others like crochet woman leg warmer designs, crochet woman long dresses, crochet woman bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also. Crochet woman scarf designs, poncho designs, caplet, cap shawls, circular jacket designs, sweater designs, open jacket designs, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, romper designs, shoes designs, crochet baby cap designs, woman cap designs, man cap designs, crochet jewelry like crochet woman necklace, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also. So dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. Try this collection, enjoy this video. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.